Are you looking for the best gaming keyboard? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best gaming keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Corsair K100 RGB Optical Mechanical Wired Gaming Keyboard. At the pinnacle of our top gaming keyboards list, the Corsair K100 RGB gaming keyboard reigns supreme, boasting exceptional performance and unparalleled versatility. This keyboard has earned its top spot due to a perfect balance of innovation and practicality, catering to the needs of avid gamers. One of the key features that sets the Corsair K100 apart is its dedicated macro keys and a customizable control wheel. This thoughtful design allows gamers to streamline complex commands and execute them with ease, enhancing overall convenience and adaptability during intense gaming sessions. Whether it's executing a series of in-game actions swiftly or triggering complex commands with a single press, the K100 delivers an outstanding user experience. However, no product is without its flaws. While the Corsair K100 excels in numerous aspects, it does fall short in on-the-fly macro capabilities. For users seeking quick customization and adjustment on the fly, this limitation might be disappointing. But if you aren't deterred by a couple of minor flaws, we highly recommend the K100. Key type: mechanical macro keys, yes. Dedicated macro keys. Customizable control wheel. Number 2. Razer Black Widow V4 Pro Wired Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. While the Razer Black Widow V4 Pro gaming keyboard didn't earn our Best Overall award, it undeniably stands as a close and formidable contender. This keyboard offers a wealth of customization options, complemented by an innovative light-up palm rest that enhances the overall gaming experience. A notable addition is the volume roller, allowing for quick audio adjustments, and the highly customizable layout that contributes to exceptional performance in various gaming scenarios. Crafted through a dual-shot molding process, the keyboard's keycaps ensure durable labeling for enduring intense gaming sessions, reflecting Razer's commitment to a reliable product. The cushioned wrist rest, adorned with chroma RGB lighting, enhances comfort and reduces wrist strain during extended gameplay. However, the Razer Black Widow V4 Pro has a couple of minor drawbacks. Some users might find the media key icons less visible during fast-paced gameplay, and macro creation could be less intuitive compared to alternative options. But, if customization is a high priority for you, this could be your best option. Key type: mechanical macro keys, yes. Tons of customization. Light-up palm rest. Volume roller. Number 3. SteelSeries Apex Pro Hypermagnetic Gaming Keyboard. Central to the SteelSeries Apex Pro's acclaim is its revolutionary adjustable actuation feature, enabling users to tailor their keystroke sensitivity with precision, harmonizing seamlessly with their distinct gaming approach. This unparalleled level of control and responsiveness equips gamers with the tools to fine-tune their gaming encounters, forging a distinct competitive advantage in every digital showdown. Beyond its remarkable performance, the Apex Pro extends a considerate embrace of comfort, ensuring that protracted gaming sessions remain physically accommodating. The inclusion of a well-crafted palm rest offers a respite to fatigued wrists and hands, reaffirming the keyboard's commitment to a comfortable gaming experience. Lastly, the Apex Pro is the most affordable option of our tested premier gaming keyboards. Nevertheless, it's important to acknowledge a minor limitation of the Apex Pro, centered around its non-detachable cable. While this aspect might mildly inconvenience some users, this keyboard's exceptional performance and feature-rich design unequivocally overshadow this drawback, cementing its status as a great choice for discerning gamers seeking an immersive and precision-driven gaming keyboard. Key type: mechanical macro keys, yes. Adjustable actuation. Palm rest. Underside cable routing. Number 4. HyperX Alloy Core RGB Membrane Gaming Keyboard. Earning a notable mention on our esteemed gaming keyboard roster, the HyperX Alloy Core RGB stands out with its remarkable simplicity and commendable functionality. While we didn't find this to be the best overall in terms of features and customization, we do feel that those who just want a straightforward option that gets the job done will prefer this model. The alloy core comes with a spill-resistant design that ensures durability for both casual and intense gaming sessions. With user-friendly features, this keyboard offers hassle-free setup and immediate usability, appealing to gamers seeking an uncomplicated yet efficient experience. However, we noted that the alloy core RGB does not come with a palm rest. The absence of a palm rest could impact comfort during extended gameplay. Despite not receiving an award, the HyperX alloy core's straightforward design and performance make it a notable choice for gamers seeking reliable gaming peripherals. Key type: membrane macro keys, no. Spill resistant. Easy to use. Number 5. Redragon K556 RGB LED backlit wired mechanical gaming keyboard. Mechanical brown switches, offering the satisfying tactile typing experience, also being ever so slightly quieter, fitting for office or gaming use. And you will get 8 spare switches as a gift. 18 backlit modes, press FN plus INSPGDN to enter Pro Gamer mode. RGB LED adjustable lighting with 6 themed backlights minus 18 lighting models. You can also adjust their brightness with FN plus, and besides, there is a 9-color single backlit mode for this keyboard. N-key rollover, ergonomic and durable design. This keyboard is made of full metal material with matte finish texture, solid enough to protect it from scratch. It allows multi-keys to work simultaneously with high speed. Self-design and removable keycaps. The Redragon K556 features a custom-designed keycap that has been made shorter to reduce the time it takes for your actions to register. Include a keycaps puller for clean or other needs. Wide compatibility. Support computer system including Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Mac OS X, Windows XP, Windows Vista, etc.